So Cobra was sold 3 months ago. I sold it for only one reason, which was to buy my dream car. And I needed the garage space, not so much the money. Hopefully I could buy the Cobra back one day whenever I have more space. So it's not the Supra, I've had that for a while. It's this right here, 2014 Viper GTS. Color is GTSR Blue Pearl. The only thing I've done to it so far is coilovers, so it's definitely lower. Looks really good though, in my opinion. It's probably 2 inches lower than stock, and the ride height on these factory isn't very good. It has a 0.425 inch spacer on the front, which kind of helps push out the wheel a little bit. Whoever bought the car though, they spec'd it out pretty much how I would have done it too. White stripes, which are painted on, and the SRT 6-vent hood, which is a lot nicer than the 2-vent GTS hood in my opinion. I also had it paint corrected and ceramic coated. It's got carbon fiber brake ducts there. Then the seats, doors, Alcantara headliner, and the upgraded leather on the seats. So it's nice. I looked for about 2 weeks trying to find one, and this one was definitely my favorite. So yeah, that's it.